Well, I got my 610 Bobcat started. I didn't video it because I just started it, made a starting video, and you know, being 100 degrees out, she fired right up. So what I'm going to do now is run to the store. Well, I'm going to get these oil leaks fixed. I'm going to get the rear end seal fixed and the variable speed so don't wreck that belt. But first of all, I'm going to change oil on it. That's the most important part on this thing. These things have a problem with the connecting rods going out if you don't change oil. Wisconsin engines are common for that, and even with carburetors, because they're dumping gas in there all the time, flooding out. I don't know how good you can see it, but it is pure gray. Not good. So it's been a year since I changed oil. It should be changed more often than that. So it needs a paper oil filter. I've changed it once before in my life, and it wasn't that hard. All you do is just take that bolt off and take the paper oil filter out, put the other one in there, tighten it back down. And then under here is you can't really see it, but there's just a bolt there. Just take a wrench and drain it. I think it takes 5 quarts, I believe, or 4.5 around there. I have to ask the parts guy, I can't remember, but they around town, they know everything. They're really good at this stuff. So I think I put sale weight 30 weight oil in there, synthetic. I know it's a little bit tough in the winter time, but it's probably, I don't know, better for the engine. Maybe not. Maybe it's not good for it. Maybe not good for the pump. But I don't know for sure. I'm going to ask that guy what they say. I got fuel stabilizer, and like I said, so the carburetor don't leak, and it don't look like it's leaking yet. Gonna get some spark plugs for them. I'm actually gonna get a couple spark plugs actually, because I've never changed them. If you look around there, they're starting to look pretty tough. So I'm gonna change them out too while I'm at it. Put it back in the other garage because this thing leaks like a sieve, and I don't want oil underneath the house. And my carbon monoxide detectors were going off, so that's a very, very bad hazard. Alright guys, they had the oil, they had the filter, and they had the new spark plugs, which I have not replaced them since I've owned it for 3 years? Yeah, 3 years. And these are the ones that Wisconsin require, I guess, or whatever, 4 of them. And this is the oil filter it takes. It takes a paper oil filter. Alright, the engine oil plug is right there. And I got this little bucket here, and it's cooled down enough. I got new spark plugs. Here's the filter, goes right here. This is what everything looks like. It doesn't look very good at all. It looks pretty dilapidated. So let's get this stuff done. Take care of it before I do blow it up, which I probably already did. But yeah, look at them spark plugs. Yeah. You know, I should have got an oil plug too, because I just about rounded that damn thing off. Yeah, it's one of them things, you know. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look at that oil. Focus camera. Look at how gray it is. Oh yeah. That is really, really good for the engine. Oh jeez. Look at that. There's no velocity. Oh wow. just like chocolate milk. Oh my goodness, that's gonna kill my engine for sure. Okay, the oil's still draining, and I kind of loosened this up a little bit. Takes a 5/8 wrench, kind of round it off too. I don't know why, but I'm sure this is all white inside too. Oh, well I guess it isn't. Usually it's white. It's got a spring in there. I'm gonna clean that. Give you guys a little idea what the oil looks like. Not good. I sent that to my dad. He's like, holy crap. Yeah, it's gonna spill, but look at how runny that stuff is. Ew. It should just come right out. It's runny. Look at that. Terrible. Oop, I'm not showing it. Spilled half of it on the floor again. Ugh. Wonder how the hell you get that out of there. Well, it's not better, but you should have seen how much sludge was inside that fuel filter or air filter or oil filter. Yeah, look at the rag. That's all the black sludge. It was like sludge at the bottom. Not good. That's what happens when you don't change oil. Yeah. It had to go down a little further. So you get it on there. Should clean that cover off really. And get the bolt on there. Screwed on there tight. Add oil to the engine and check for leaks. That's all you have to do. But I'm going to change the spark plugs here and stuff. And we'll go from there. Man, that oil was bad. Got the spark plug loose here. First time I ever seen what the spark plug looks like inside, so it's probably bad. I don't know. Huh. Yeah, it's got carbon on there. It smells pretty gassy. Yeah, it needs to be replaced. That's for sure. See that? Yep. Might as well change them while we're at it too. Get some new plugs in there. Well, there's the piston right there, I think. Or is that the valves? It's hard to see there. Must be the valves. The piston must be down below or something, but looks pretty black in there. I mean, don't look bad. I'll have to clean them things up in there. There's the new one, and there's the old one. That one looks like it's, that one don't look like it's gapped too good, and the other one's gapped perfect, so yeah. I know you can't see anything, but it's better to not to see anything than see what I'm doing. Alright, we'll tighten that thing down and we'll put the boot on there and hopefully it'll run. We'll see afterwards. I'll video it. Well, I got all 4 plugs out. They weren't easy. There's one of them. There's another one. They don't look good. I haven't started it yet. I gotta check the oil one more time, make sure it's full and not leaking, and just make sure it's not leaking when I start it up. But we're gonna do a startup here. Man, it's got some massive carbon built up on it. They don't look too bad, some of them, but I don't know. I know they've never been replaced since I've owned them. I just need a spark plug, that's for sure. Oh yeah, didn't even use a choke.